Yes, here we go. You are trying to add primary key to existing table, and as per the syntax, you will write there alter table name, add constraint name, constraint type. Okay, as per the syntax. See, as per the syntax, it is perfect. It is perfect. See here, syntax is perfect, but it won't work. Why? Reason. Come on, friends, everyone. What's the reason here? What's the reason why we are not able to add?
It has to be
Value should not be null.
Exactly. Because it is of type null. So, firstly, we need to make it not null. Then only we can add primary key. So, adding a primary key to existing table involve two steps. Step 1, modify the column nullability property to not null. Then only add primary key constraint. Okay, here it is. How to do that? Alter table name,
alter
column. Please, do you remember initial classes? Yes, where it is? I'll take you back. In our chapter number 4, that half century concepts, half century chapter, there you got some examples, some 20 plus examples and 20 plus task items there. One of them says alter table name, alter column name, right? You remember this? Query 24.
Yes.
Chapter
Yes.
4. Perfect. I'll take the same thing here, okay? Alter table name, alter column. Which column? Craft code column of type varchar 30, 40, whatever. Default it is null. Make it not null. Once you make it not null, happily we can add primary key. Now how do you verify? Right click columns, refresh. You see a key symbol PK not null, and here also will be able to verify the key like this. Please, are we getting it now, everyone? Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mic with you all. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.